So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. You want to find Security Center service. Here it is, Security Center. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic delayed start and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. So again, make sure that you have Security Center, automatic delayed start and running and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Management Instrumentation. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Management Instrumentation. Double click on it. And then do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.